Hi guys, very good evening to all of you. Uh, uh, Today, actually, we're going to start with the chapter, namely arithmetic progressions. Okay, this chapter has got good weightage in your CBSE board exams, and also this chapter is also for your grade 11 as well. So just have a look, okay? And I'm going to share my screen. You can share your doubts, you can share your questions, whatever you have to, or your answers in the live chat section. Okay, so let's start with. Okay, okay, uh, okay, guys. So first of all, we need to discuss what does an arithmetic progression mean. Okay, so let me write in heading here: arithmetic progression. Right? Fine. So what is an arithmetic progression? Simple thing. Simple thing. It is actually a sequence, right? It's actually a sequence which is of the form of A1, A2, A3, A4, so on. Okay. Now, what's the property? Why? What is the thing that we can say that this progression, this sequence is not an arithmetic progression? That the difference between the succeeding term and the preceding term is always constant, right? Okay. Let us suppose you have A3 minus A2. This is also constant. Okay. Let us suppose you have A4 minus A3. This thing is also constant, right? Okay. So this type of sequence is known as arithmetic progression, and this constant is known as the cons common difference, right? I think you people know about it. Okay. Any confusion? You can let me know in the chat. I'm here. Okay. Or we can say in this way as well. If I have the first term as a, this is the first term. If a constant is added to every preceding term means the term which is the preceding term and the succeeding term. Okay, if we add a constant to the every preceding term, let us suppose you have a1 is equal to a, so a2 will be equal to a plus. Add some constant. Let us suppose I have added d, so it is d. A3 will be equal to, this constant is added with d, that is a plus 2d, right? And in fact a4 will be equal to a plus 3d. Okay, a5 will be equal to a plus 4d, right? In this way we can go on. And last nth term, that's known as an, this can be denoted as, yeah, this can be denoted as a, you can see the trend, 2d, 3d, 4d, this is a plus n minus 1 into d, right? Okay, this is the way that you can denote your the general term. This is also known as the general term. Clear? Okay, let's have a look. For example, you have 7, 10, 13, okay, 16, so on. Fine. So what is the first term here? That is 7. Is this in AP? How we can check? I will do 10 minus 7. That is equal to, yeah, 3. I will do 13 minus 10. That's also equal to 3. I will do 16 minus 13. That is also equal to 3. You can say that common difference is same every time. So this is an arithmetic progression. Okay. Let us suppose I have to find A11. A11 means 11th term. This is known as the 11th term. Simple. How we can find the 11th term? Yes, come on, guys. How we can find the 11th term? Those who are in the chat section, they can answer me. How we can find the 11th term? Hmm. That is A11 is equal to, yes, A plus 10D, isn't it? So what is your A? A is your first term, that's 7. Okay, that's your 7 plus 10 times D, that is 3. Okay, hmm. That's equal to, simply we can say this thing is equal to 37. Fine. Okay. Hmm? Okay. Now, Simple. You have been discussing if I have any term of an AP. Let us suppose I will say uh, any term I can say. Hmm? Fine, I can say, let us suppose I have 31st term. Okay. 31st term of an AP is equal to, let us suppose, mm, say anything. It can be 50. Okay. Let us suppose 21st term, I can say, is 10. Can be done. Okay. So you have to find first term, that's A, and you have to find the common difference. Or even more precisely, I can say that you have to find a hundredth term. That means you have to find the hundredth term. How this can be done? Simple. You have to use a linear equation in two variables here. A31, that is equal to A plus 30 times A plus 30 times D, isn't it? A plus 30D, this thing is equal to 50, right? And you have a 21st term. This is equal to a plus, yes, what is 20th term? 21st term, a plus 20d. This is equal to 10, right? If you see there are two unknowns, a and d. So we can go for the linear equation in two variables. Okay, go for the subtraction. This will have 10 times d is equal to, subtract, I will say this is first, this is second. Subtract 2 and 1. Hmm? Okay, so what's your d? Isn't it 4? So your d is 4. Okay, guys. So your d I got as 4. Now, how I can find a? How I can find a? Yes, in the chat section, you people can tell me how I can find a. Yes, Pranav, I remember you. Guys, how I can find a? Come on, tell me. You can put the value of d in this equation, right? So I can say a plus 30 times 4 is equal to 50. Okay. Clear? That is a plus 120 is equal to 50. I got as a is equal to 50 minus 120, that is equal to negative 70. So this is the value of a. Okay, this is the value of a. Now guys, I need to find a 100. How can I find a 100? Hmm? How can I find a 100? Very good. Substitute this value. Okay, where I can substitute? I can substitute. Yes. Can anyone tell me what is the value of a? Yes. Come on. Come on, tell me. This is A. Sorry. This is a D. I have A 100. How I can find A 100? That is A plus 99 D. Okay. That's equal to, that is negative 70 plus 99 times 4. Okay. This can be done, isn't it? Yes. That is 396 minus 70. How much it is? That is 326. Okay. Easy. Now see guys, I will give you a simple way. Simple, you can say that this is kind of a shortcut. Huh? This is kind of a shortcut for you. But sometimes asked, hmm, okay, see, same question, same way, same question, but you will do it. You will do it, and I will be asking, I will be looking at the chat for your responses, and you people will send me on the live chat. Okay, let us suppose I will say a 50 is equal to 30. Okay, and a 30 is equal to 50, right? What you have to do, you have to find a 80. After a 80, you have to find a 100 as well. Come on, come on, do it fast. Do it fast. Come on, guys. Yes. Anyone? Okay. I will tell you. See, what is A50? A plus 49D is equal to 30. What is A30? A plus 29D. This is equal to 50. This is first, this is second. What we need to do, you need to subtract both. Okay, subtract. After subtracting, what you will get? Easy. What you will get? So 49 minus 29, how much it is? Simple. This is 20D, isn't it? And 30 minus 50, this is negative 20. D you will get as negative 1. Simple. Okay. After substituting it in equation first, you will get the value of A. So the value of A should be A plus 49 times negative 1. This is equal to 30. Okay. So A minus 49 is equal to 30. So what is the value of A? Hmm. Isn't it 79? I think so. It is 79. Okay. Now have a look for 80. See, have a look for 80. What you will get. What is A80? That's A plus 79D. What's A? That is 79. What is D? That's negative 1. That is 79 minus 79. That's equal to 0. Simple. What is A100? That is A plus 99D. That is equal to A. What's A? 79 plus 99 negative 1. That's equal to negative 20. See, I will tell you a pattern here. Simple thing. Remember, this is easy. This is very easy. Listen, guys. If you see, if you see, this is 50, this is 30, this is 30, this is 50, right? Remember, if A, P is equal to Q, okay, and A, Q is equal to P. Getting me? Getting me or not? Have a look here. What's your AP? What's your AP? P if I take as 50, you can see P if I take as 50, see, this is P, this is Q, this is Q, this is P, right? I can always take it, isn't it? Then A, A, P plus Q will be always equal to 0. Hmm? Just check it. What's your A? What's your P? 50. What's your Q? 30. Add these two, 80. A, P plus Q, that is A80, always equal to 0. And any AN is equal to P plus Q minus N. Have a look. A100. This was equal to P 50 plus 30 minus 100. This is equal to 80 minus 100. That's equal to negative 20. Simple. You got the answer. Done. Easy. Very easy. Okay, guys. Hope this is clear. Write me in the chat. Is this clear? Is this clear? Those who have joined the live session, please let me know in the chat whether this is clear or not. Hmm? Guys, you can tell me. Very nice. Okay, fine. Shall I proceed? Okay. Now, the next thing that we need to discuss is the sum of n terms. Sum of n terms of an AP. What is the sum of n terms of an AP? You know, Sn, that's equal to sum of n terms. This is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d, right? Okay, this is the sum of n terms. Even though we can write it in the simplest form, if this is n by 2, I can write it as a plus n minus 1 into d. You can see this is the nth term, that is the last term of an AP. This is equal to n by 2 a plus al. Al is the last term. This formula can be also used. Clear? Any confusions? I hope there is no confusion. Okay. So let us suppose I will give you a question. Let us suppose I will give a question. You have 10, 14, 18, 22. Okay. So on. Okay. Find A21. Sorry. You have to find S21. S20 you can find. Okay. Sum of the first 20 terms. Okay. Sum of the first 20 terms. First of all, let me know what's here A. First term is 10. What's the common difference? That is 14 minus 10. That's equal to 4. Right? So what will be S20? Hmm? That's equal to 20 by 2. Okay. A. 2A. Okay. 2A. 2 times 10 plus 20 minus 1 into D. I think you can easily do it, isn't it? Can you do it? Guys, let me know the answer in the chat. Come on. This is 10. Okay. This is 20. How much is this? 19, is 76, right? Okay. So this will become, this is 96, this is 960. The sum of these terms is equal to 960. Simple. Okay. Guys, any confusion? Please let me know. If there is any kind of confusion, please tell me. I'm here. I will try to see it. Okay. Come on, tell me. Good. Zahid, kindly check it. It's not 560. It's 960. Okay, fine. Let me give a question. Okay. If let us suppose I have, wait. Okay, guys, fine. See, the question is, you have now Sn given. Okay. That means sum of n terms is given in the form of n. Okay. If sum of n terms of AP is equal to 2n plus 3n square. Okay. What you have to do? Generate AP and find nth term. Okay. You need to find the nth term as well. Simple. Simple as it is. See, the Sn is given as, the formula for the Sn is given to you. That Sn is already given as 2n plus 3n square. First of all, I will tell you one thing, guys. See, what does Sn means? What does S1 means? That is the sum of first term. What does the S2 means? That is the sum of first two terms. What does S3 means? That is the sum of first three terms. A1 plus A2 plus a3, right? And so on. Okay. Let us suppose I will find s1. Okay, that is the sum of one term. S1, or I will find this will be equal to first term because S1 is your first term. Okay, this will be equal to 2 times 1 because n is 1 plus 3 times 1 square, right? This is 2 plus 3, that is equal to 5. Clear? This is clear. Okay. Now, what is your S2? S2 is your sum of two terms, that is your A1 plus A2, right? So I will give the value of n as 2. Come on, tell me what will be this 2 into 2 plus 3 times 2 square. This is 4 plus 12. That is 16. What does that mean? That is A1. What is your A1? A1 is 5 plus A2. That's equal to 16. That means A2 is equal to 16 minus 5. That's 11. Okay, come on, generate S3. That means the third term. Come on, do it fast. What will be the third term? Come on. What will be the third term? Yes. Come on, people, tell me what will be the third term. Yes, Joan, Bhavya, everyone out there, Pranav, Zahid, let me know what will be the third term. Simple. You can find the third term easily. See, there are two ways. You can do this thing S3, that is A1 plus A2 plus A3, or I can say S2 plus A3. Okay, that is equal to give the value of n as this is 2 into 2, sorry, 3, n is 3 plus 3 times 3 square, right? That's 27 plus 6. Yep, 27 plus 6. No, 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 Zahid. Yeah, correct, correct, good. That is 6 plus, yes, 27, is it? How much is that? 33? This is 33. But this is already 11, isn't it? This is 16. 16 minus 33, how much it is? How much this is? Because S2 is already 16, isn't it? That is 16 plus A3. Okay. So A3 will be equal to 33 minus 16. That's equal to 17. Or one more thing, one more way you can do it. One more way you can do it. If you have to find A3, A3 will be equal to A1, that is the first term, plus 2D. What's the common difference? When you got the two terms, you can see the common difference after adding. See, first term is 5. Second term is 11. After subtracting these two, you can see the common difference is 6. Okay, so the first term is 5 plus 2 times 6. That's 12 plus 5. That is also equal to 17. You can say this thing as well. Easy. Okay, so what will be your nth term? A. What's A? 5 plus n minus 1. What's D? Common difference is 6. So this is your nth term. Simple. Clear? Clear? All of you. I hope there is no confusion in it. Give thumbs up. Give thumbs up in the chat. Yes, guys, is it done? Very nice. I can see only two people here, Joan and Zahid. What about the rest? Let's do some question. See, question is find common difference of an AP whose first term is 100. Okay, first term is 100 and the sum of first six terms is 5 times 5 times the sum of next six terms. Yeah, what's given? You have to find D. Hmm? Whose first term is 100? Okay, first term is 100. So what does that mean? A1 or first term is 100. We also denote it as A. Okay, sum of first six terms, that is S1 plus S2 plus S3 plus S4 plus S5 is equal to. Okay, that is equal to, yes, whose sum of first six terms. Hmm? So first six terms, sorry, I got it wrong. Sum of first six terms is equal to 5 times. Sum of next six terms, that means S7 to A7 plus A8 plus A9 plus A10 plus A11 plus A12. Isn't it? Now, I have a thing for you here. Hmm? First of all, let me know in the chat how many of you can do it, how you will denote all this. How you will denote all this. Come on, guys, tell me. How to do this? Any idea? Listen, I will tell you one thing. This sum, this whole sum, this sum is actually equal to, if I sum the terms from to 12 and subtract the, yes, okay, first six terms out of it. That means if I subtract 8 to 5 out of it, 8 to 6 out of it, out of all these terms, I will get the rest of the terms. Isn't it? Isn't it? So how to do it? So can I write it as S6 is equal to 5 times S12 minus S6? Easy. Okay. Mm. So this is equal to S6 is equal to 5 times S12 minus 5 times S6. Take it on the other side. So 6 times S6 is equal to 5 times S12. Give the values. You know the values. What is this? This is 6 times S6. This is 6 by 2. Sum of first 6 terms. 6 by 2. 2a. What's a? A is 100. Okay. N plus n minus 1. N is 6. 6 minus 1 into d. D you don't know. Is equal to 5 times. Yes. N is here 12. Okay. N is here 12. So we can write it as 12 by 2. Okay, guys. 2 times 100. Okay. Plus 12 minus 1 into d. Right? Fine. Okay. This is 6 times 3 times 200 plus 5d is equal to 5 times 6 times 200 plus 11d. I think this is a simple linear equation in one variable, if you can see. Hmm? It can be easily done now. Yes, this is 18. 18 times 200. How much it is? Yes, this is 3600 plus 18.5. This is 90d. This can be written as this is 30. 30 into 200 is, yes, 6000 plus uh, 30 multiplied by 11. Okay. This is 330d, right? Take these on the other side. Can we do it? D can be taken on the one side and this on the other side. So I will get this as 90d minus 330d is equal to 6000 minus 3600. Okay, this is equal to 240d is equal to, I think this is negative 240d is equal to 2400, right? So I can write d is equal to negative 10. This is your answer. Simple. Hmm? Got it? Clear? Okay. See, now your an is given. You have to find n by finding the common difference and all. Which term of AP? AP is given 3, 8, 13, 18, and so on is 78. Which term is, so you have to directly find here n. Easy. You have to directly find here n. So what's here A? 3. What's here D? Yes. What's here D? This difference of this. That's 5. Okay. Now an is equal to 78. You know an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Guys, give me n. Come on, fast. Do it fast. Hmm. Tell me n. 16. Good. What about others? Guys, what's your n? What's a? What's t? Hmm? This is n minus 1 times 5 is equal to, yes, 75, right? Okay. So n minus 1 is equal to, yes, 15. N is equal to 16. Correct? Any confusion? Okay. See, guys, I will tell you one thing. We can discuss about the properties of AP, or you can just remember one thing. If I have an AP 2, 5, 8, okay, since I'm adding 3, 11, and so on. Okay, what I have done, I have added 3 to every term. You can see. If I add, and the common difference is here 3. See, there are 2 to 3 points that you need to remember. Okay, see, if I add every term of this sequence as arithmetic progression is 5, I have added anything, or I can subtract anything. Let us suppose add 5 to every term. What will this become? This will become 7. This will become 10. This will become, yes, uh, 13. And this will become 16, so on. Okay. If you see, if you're going to check it, what's the D here? Again, the common difference is same. So it will not make any impact on the progression. This can come as a objective type MCQ. So if we add any constant term to an AP, what will be the common difference? You can see it will remain same. Okay. Now one more thing. What we can do, we can multiply this AP. Let us suppose I will multiply this by 2. Okay. So 2 will become 4, 5 will become 10, 8 will become 16. Okay, 8, 22, 11 will become 22. Now you can see the common differences here 6. What I can predict from this? I have actual common difference is 3. I multiplied this by 2, so my common difference got 6. So if I multiply any constant to the common difference, by some constant, the common difference will be also multiplied by the same number. Simple. Okay, clear? Any confusion at all? Guys, any confusion? Shall I proceed? Okay. See, equation, very easy question. The sum of ratios of first n terms of two APs are in a ratio of 5n plus 2 upon 3n minus 1. Find ratio of their 12th terms. I will tell you what this question is. Okay, this is very easy question, and I'm going to give you very short form of this as well. Okay, but don't try this in your exams, not because you are going to lose by the shortcuts, right? Okay, if the MCQ comes, you can do that. See, guys, what is given? There is a one AP SN, and there is another AP SN dash. Okay, the sum of their ratio is given as 5n plus 2 and 3n minus 1. Okay. Now, what you need to do, you need to find the ratio of their 12th terms, that is A12 by A12 dash. Hmm? Now, first of all, tell me what will be this Sn. If you see, this Sn can be given as, this Sn can be written as, this is A dash, because A is different. I don't know what is A. Oh, sorry, n by 2, 2A dash plus n minus 1 d dash, because I also don't know what is d. Okay, but n is same. Sum of, let us suppose sum of first 30 terms, sum of first 20 terms. Okay, here I can say n by 2, take dash here. 2a plus 2a dash n minus 1 d dash, right? This is given as 5n plus 2 and 3n minus 1. Or let's take it later on. See, this and this will cancel. What you have to do, I will take 2 outside. This is a plus n minus 1 upon 2 into d. A dash plus n minus 1 upon d dash is equal to this one. Listen, guys, what you exactly need, you need ratio of the 12th terms. Okay, what's the ratio of the 12th terms? What is the 12th term actually? A plus 11d, A dash plus 11d dash, isn't it? So if you compare this thing, you can see this quantity should be 11, isn't it? You can see. Then this becomes A12, isn't it? Then I can say this is A12 and A12 dash if this becomes 11. So I can see here n minus 1 upon 2 should be equal to 11. So n is equal to 22 plus 1, that is equal to 23. Okay, isn't it? Isn't it? So what you need to do, I will put n equal to 23. So what I will get? When I put n equal to 23, this will become 23 minus 1, that is 22 divided by 2, that is a plus 11d divided by a dash plus 11d dash. And when I'm going to put the value of n as 23 here, this is 5 times 23 plus 2 and 3 times 23 minus 1. Isn't it? Getting me or not? Guys, are you getting me? So, okay. So what is this actually? What is this actually? This is A12 and this is A12 dash. And this is 115 plus 2. This is in 117. And this will be equal to 68. You can check it. Am I correct? Done. Now, see what I did. We just have to plug in the value of n and we got the ratio of these terms, right? See, I will give you a simple way how to do it. Simple way, the short form, we can say. Listen, we have to find ratio of 12th terms, isn't it? Take this as P. Your n is always equal to 2p minus 1, whatever the ratio it is, 2p minus 1. So n will be equal to 2 times what's p? P is 12 minus 1, that is 24 minus 1, that is 23. Put the value 23, you got the answer. One more example. Let us suppose Sn and Sn dash, two, sum of the n terms of the two ratios is 6n 6n minus 1, and 5n plus 2. Find find ratio of their, I can say, 10th terms. So what's here p? That means you have to find a10 divided by a10 dash. So p is your 10. So n will be equal to 210 minus 1. That's 20 minus 1. That's 19. Plug in the value of 19. You got the answer. Got it? Guys, write me in the chat whether you got it or not. Every one of you, please let me know whether this is clear or not. Thumbs up. Okay, let's do one more question. Question is, find S24. That is sum of first 24 terms. Hmm? If it is given A1 plus A5 plus A10 plus A15 plus A20 plus A24 is given as 2 to 5. Hmm? What you need to do, you need to find the sum of all these terms. Hmm? How to do it? See, this has got very easy concept. If you see the 24 terms, that is A1 plus A2 plus A3 and so on up to A4, you can use, I will let you know, the property, one of the property you can use here. Suppose I will understand this with an example. Let us suppose you have an AP 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, 17, 20, 23. These are some terms of an AP. Okay. The property of an AP is that if I sum first and the last term, that's 25. Now, sum of the terms which are equidistant from the beginning and from the end. That means if I take this second term from the beginning and second term from the end, that is 8 plus 17. This will also take up 25. If I take first term from the beginning, first term from the end, 5 plus 20, this is also equal to 25. So all the sum of all these terms, that means I can write it here that you can take it as a note that sum of first and last term is equal to sum of equidistant terms from beginning and end. Clear? Okay. Now how that will help me here? How that will help me here? If you will see, the first term is this, last term is this, isn't it? Isn't it? So I will say the first term plus last term. Okay, plus the first term plus last term from the beginning. If you see, they are same from the beginning. That is a5 plus a20, and they are equal to uh, a10 plus a15. This is equal to 225, and sum is equal. You can say sum of all of them is equal because this sum is equal. I can take that as equal. This is 3 times a1 plus a24 is equal to 225. Do you people got this concept or not? Yes or no? Hmm? So a1 plus a24 will be equal to, this is 225 upon 3. This is equal to 75. Guys, are you getting it? Are you getting it or not? Hmm? Hmm. So this is your first term, this is your last term. You got a 75. And you know S24. This is also equal to n by 2 a plus al. Al means the last term. N is here 24 upon 2 a plus al. The sum of these two is given as 20, 75. And this is 12 into 75. That's 900. Done? Clear? Any confusion? Guys, let me know. If there is any kind of confusion, you can let me know. Got it? Thumbs up. Every one of you. Is this clear? Okay, guys. So this thing is all from here. You can practice the things. Okay. Any confusion? Let me know. We are here to help you. Okay. Take care. Bye bye.